Introduction. Okay. Holcim, my name is Hai. Holcim is my focusing area to critically present by them. Introduction. Overview. The Holcim was founded in 1912 with the name Holder Bank, Financial Galeries Ltd. And then in 2001, the name was changed to Holcim. Holcim is one of the world's leading producer of building materials. It is a global company employing more than 80,000 people with production sites in around 70 countries. With a market present on every continent, Holcim is more globally spread than any other building materials group, allowing us to create a strong foothold in each individual market and providing stable earnings for the group. In 2012, Holcim recorded sales of over 20 billion Swiss francs thanks to our market-oriented structures, product innovation, skilled employees, and efficient environmental management system. Holcim is in a strong position now, and for years to come. Their vision is to provide foundation for society's future. They provide foundation for people growth through their commitment to develop the full potential of their employees and partners. Their mission to be the world's most respected and attractive company in their industry, creating value for all their stakeholders. They regard their stakeholders, especially the customers, distributors, and suppliers within the construction industry, as partners and endeavor to integrate them in their decision-making process, working collaboratively to develop innovative professional solutions. They're going to continually set the highest standards of customer satisfaction in our industry, secure the strongest competitive position in our markets, partner with suppliers to deliver value for cost procurement for the group and our customers, be recognized as an employer of first choice, empower our employees and integrate them fully into our global network, selectively grow our worldwide presence of companies, demonstrate our commitment to sustainable development. Be acknowledged as a valued and trusted partner in our community, be the most recommended stock in our industry. Product. They focus on their core business. Cement and aggregates are at the center of their activities. The investment policy and product range are adapted to suit opportunity of each market and local customer needs. They offer ready-mixed concrete goods, asphalt, and associated services. Innovative application-driven, high-quality products make them the provider of first choice. Although almost the countries over the world were suffer and decreased in the end of 2008, that influenced to the sales in 2009, and after that, for instance, sale of cement. In 2007, the sale was 150 million francs. In 2008, the first time of crisis, the sale was reduced to about 143 million francs. In 2009, because of the crisis, the sale was about 133 million francs, also with the sale of aggregate and sale of the ready mixed concrete. The next key to success opportunities. Even there's crisis or no crisis, the world still needs cement. Global cement to consumption in 2008-2010. As one of the world's leading producers of building materials, Holcim aspires to be the most respected and attractive company in the sector, creating value for all our stakeholders. Our strategy is based on three central pillars: focusing on the core business, geographical diversification, and balancing business responsibility between local and global leadership. Product focus. I will focus on our core business. Cement and aggregates are the center of our activities. Innovative, application-driven, high-quality products make us the provider of first choice. Among the reasons for Holcim's lasting success is a product strategy with a focus on the production and distribution of our core products, cement and aggregates, both which are key basic materials for construction. The main focus of investment is the processing of raw materials. The production of cement and aggregates, for example, requires a great deal of process know-how and is a highly capital-intensive process that ties up assets over the long term. Because of the continuing demand for new production facilities and rising building costs, capital expenditures for cement production have risen substantially. However, our investment policy and product range are adapted to suit the maturity of each market and local customer needs. So while cement and aggregates are the basis of our businesses, other products bring us closer to the end consumer. As markets mature and customer needs broaden, we offer ready-mix concrete goods, asphalt and associated services. In emerging markets, we focus on building up and expanding cement production. In maturing economies, vertical integration becomes more significant and we aim to establish ready-mix concrete businesses in major urban centers. In developed markets, the range of products is even more diversified and including aggregates, asphalt, and concrete products. Because of the high degree of regulation and industrialization, it is strategically important to have high-grade, secure raw material reserves. Geographic diversification. Holcim is more globally active than any other building materials group, with a strong foothold in each individual market. Geographic diversification stabilizes earnings as it helps to balance cyclical fluctuation in individual markets, help to balance cyclical fluctuations in individual markets. They distribute production to some countries like North America, Latin America, Europe at the same time. So if they fail in one segment, they still be able to operate in other segment. If they just invest in one by one segment and they fail, they will go into bankrupt. Local management, global standards. Their success lies a striking imbalance between local responsibility and local leadership. Their business had local rules and adhered to the conditions and needs of each specific market where they operate, yet they have group-wide standards and systematic benchmarking that allow them to enhance their efficiency. Therefore, the success lies a striking balance between local responsibility and global leadership. The extraction of large quantities of raw material, the operation of capital-intensive cement plants, and distribution of building materials to local or regional markets require strong local presence and awareness of their responsibilities. However, to fully exploit their potential, Holcim has standardized all its major corporate processes. These allow local management to concentrate on market development, cost efficiencies, training for staff, and senior manager and nurturing community relation at the one local level. Okay, PESO analyzes political, governmental stimulus programs, globalization, state capitalism, economic low interest rates, growing fear of inflation in emerging markets, strong Swiss francs, recovering GDP rates, social improvement of global poverty level, ongoing urbanization, low social governmental spending, technological multifunctional materials, improvements in terms of waste recycle reduction techniques, enhancement of durability performance, environmental high carbon dioxide emission, greater demand of cement than emissions are falling, emerging market growth, legal, internationalization of businesses, growing awareness of greenhouse gases, innumerable different laws in emerging countries. And now next to the conclusion of Holcim. Essential to the economy's movements at the cement industry, Holcim have learned how to stay strong in the global recession. They have taken every opportunity to grow and make innovation by applying the good strategies and bat through the crisis and make Holcim become one of the biggest cement companies in the world. Their strategies are good for others to learn and apply to face the risk of new global recession in the future. By focus on production, on the quality and processing, Holcim show their professional and careful image for the world. And thank you for your attention.